Okay, I get all my fish from one of my best friends who's got a fishing charter. So he goes out every day to get fresh fish. So very, very, very fresh. And you take a few veggies too. You can get like some cucumber, carrots, turnip, white onion, green onion. Okay. Then it's very hard. We take everything, everything in here. You put your fish, your veggies. Up. And you know, guys, here we have two ways of doing that dish. The way that everybody will make for you is the way where at that point I should put lime and coconut milk. Have you tried it? Vous avez goûté ça, le poisson cru au lait de coco? Bien sûr, hein? Mais pas aujourd'hui.
Pourquoi?
Parce qu'aujourd'hui, je vais te montrer l'autre façon de faire. Instead of putting lime and coconut milk, we're gonna put that sauce. Oh, she just jumped again. I got a show just for you guys. Wow. Voila, I just threw some fish in the water for him. Hey, don't steal my show, man. You're stealing the show. Hey, c'est clair. $300 pour toi.
Wow.
There! Woo!
And she's having fun right now.
Whoa. Yeah, look at that. Awesome.
C'est un festival. Festival.
Wow.
Festival for you.
Stealing your thunder.
Yeah.
Look at that. She's giving the look.
Pa, you hear?
What's she doing?
Again. Again.
So many.
Wow.
C'est pour nous en fait. Tu l'as
What does she do?
commandé en fait.
I think there's more than one out there.
Or she's like excited or something.
Yeah.
I think that's a male probably.
Yeah.
He's trying to impress a female.
Yeah.
Okay, that's over. Allez, come. No, I tell you, really, it's over, so you can come now.
Il est en train de nous expliquer sa recette. Hein.
Voilà.
Alors ça, il y a quoi dedans?
I cannot tell you.
Oh si.
Non, c'est la baleine. C'était la baleine ou la recette.
Voilà. So yes, I just put that in there, you eat and it's all fine, okay? No, I put ginger, garlic, water, rice vinegar, olive oil, and one lime, okay? And then you just put everything in there.
That sounds nice.
Oui, il a mis du gingembre.
Ouais, tu vas être en forme, mon ami. Et là, tu vas bien mélanger. Right? You're gonna give it a really good stir. You want every single piece of fish, all those veggies to go into that nice sauce. Moi, je t'avais dit que t'allais faire une façon.
Donc tu mets du gingembre?
Ouais. Du lait. Ben non, du gingembre. You see how your fish is changing color? Du lait, de riz, un petit peu d'eau, du sucre, de l'huile d'olive. Ouais. De l'huile d'olive. Ta-da! You guys are lucky. Allez, look, everything's right there. To go with it, you got rice, soy salty. I got all the food that I could find for you. Enjoy, my friend. Hey, help yourself. Hein? Servez-vous, les amis. Hein? Pas regarder ça, bon, hein?